Buddies! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to share with you how I transform this silky skirt into a cowl neck top in an easiest way. The first thing that I did is that I deconstruct the skirt and remove the lining. After deconstructing, I put it to my body and just eyeballing the fabric how long it will fall to create a cowl neck, and it's up to you also how long you want it to be. I use the pin as a guide for my markings. After getting the width, I also get the length, and I decided that the length is up to my waistline. I also put pins as a guide for my markings. After that, I get the measurement where I put the pin, and the length that I got is 9.5 inches, and I also added 0.5 inch as a seam allowance. And also the width that I got is 14.5 inches. After that, I trace the markings that I made by drawing a straight lines and using a ruler. It will result to a rectangular shape. Since the fabric is so sheer, I decided to fold it so that it will have a two-piece, and also it will not so transparent when wearing it. And now I'm making the straps with the length of 21 inches and the width of 1 inch. Then draw a straight line using the ruler. I'm going to make 4 straps, that's why I'm drawing 4 horizontal lines with 1 inch apart. After that, cut those 4 horizontal lines. I fold the straps in half and use the pin to hold the foldings. After that, sew along the pins. I cut a small hole in one edge of the strap and insert the hairpin so that the strap will turn right side out. And we are now have 4 skinny straps. Laying flat of the bodies, I pin the 4 skinny strap in the 4 corners of the main body. After that, sew along the sides of the bodies. Remember to keep a small unsew space so that the body will be turned right side out. This is the result after sewing the side seams. After turning right side out, sew that small opening close. Then top stitch the side seams of the main bodies. And this is the result after top stitching. And we're done! I love the result of this top, and it can be used during party at night. It will also highlight the sexiness of your back. If you want to make one for yourself, don't forget to tag me in my Instagram. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on the next video.